ya Capitol Hill ni wega ngoro ngikuririkania ati mehaririria ma kwihitithio kwa Biden no marathi na mbere kuria Capitol Hill na Biden egukorwo akihitithio o hamwe na Kamala Harris uria Kamala Harris ni wega ngoro ngikuririkania ati onake arari senator wa California ginya kurakinya muthenya wa 18th of this month kana January mweri 18 na nirio arathi gati ni atiga gutuika senator kana ni ara retire ta senator wa California na ugo ni kuga atia ugo ni kuga governor wa California eno hoti gukorwa ati no akorwa agietha kana akiamura senator onge ginya riria githurano kingi giakorwo gigithie na mbere ni maingi tukorwo tukirora ati uiguithania wa America na Kenya ni maingi tukorwo tukirora no kwa ihinda riri uria tuwi ni ati Biden ni okirire kiroko tene na gwaitha riri ekuria kanitha wa St Matthews na nikuo egokorwo ari mbere athiete kuria athie Capitol Hill kwihitithio o kahinda gatare kunene ni tukorwo tukiona igongona riu rikiambiriria kuria Capitol Hill ni wega ngorwo ngikuririkania ati Trump ni arikia kuheana speech yake ya kuma White House na Trump egukorwo akiuma White House akorwo akirora Florida kwao mucii na ndiraigwa we president wa gatatu America kwaga guthie igongona ria kuheana matamu mau ma utongoria ku bururi-ini wa America ni wega ngorwo ngikwira mage megie Joe Biden tiga uteti wa Joe Biden ni maundu mariku mage Joe Biden akoretwo namo na kana ni maundu mariku mage Joe Biden akoretwo mage megie Joe Biden ni ati ni wega tukorwo tukirora ginya family ya Joe Biden na Biden ni wega ngoro ngikuririkania ati Biden aciarirwo mwaka-ini wa 1942 Biden ena miaka 78 niwe president uri ugutwika president uria mukuru fiu bururi-ini wa America maundu mere muno tuwi ni ati president wa America Joe Biden ni gukorwo president uria mukuru fiu oho ni ati Biden nowe wari senator uria munini fiu riria acagurirwo gutwika senator wa Delaware kuria Delaware kuria America sorry na tugithie na mbere tukorwo tukirora ati Biden thutha wa Biden gukorwo agiciarwo ni athire na mbere na itua riake ya kuingira kuria utetini na akoretwo senator wa Delaware kuma mwaka wa 1973 ginya mwaka-ini wa 2009 kuria thutha woguo atwikire munini wa Obama na kuma hau ni wega tukorwo tukiona bisha cia uria maundu marathie na mbere.
Just takes you back and you're embarrassing that we've never had a woman serving as president or vice president, but now that cannot be said anymore. And it is, the United States of America in so many ways is an idea, and we're constantly striving to achieve that idea and those ideals. And whatever you think of Kamala Harris's politics or Democrats or whatever, like this is one more step towards achieving what the U.S. is supposed to stand for. We are closing in, of course, on the beginning of the Biden-Harris inauguration. Big name guests are gathering. We're standing by for former Presidents Obama and Bush and Clinton to make their entrances. We'll bring all of that to you. Stay with us. We're going to squeeze in this quick break.
This is the 100 Club, our look at companies that are 100 years old or older.
Umuthi tafarira ya uria ndagitari kumkum bagia na uriro wa wendo sitikumemerekio niguo kweka mweke igongona ria mihitwa ya Joe Biden ikimemerekio imwe kwa imwe kuma bururi wa America.
The new View Sasa app. Click